Good evening, students. I hope you all are well and happy. So, today we are going to start one more series that is of novel and its types and different types of novel. One by one, we are going to discuss. So, novel and its types, or fiction and its types. Let us see that what is fiction. Fiction describes something imaginary or invented. The term is generally used regarding creative works written in prose or ordinary language. Ordinary language, which does not follow a meter as in poetry, right? Fiction is different from poetry. It does not follow meter. It does not bother about meter. It's a narration. It is that's a straight work, right? Prose work, that is called fiction. And fiction is an imaginary or invented mm, work, right? The term is generally used regarding creative work written in prose. So that's a something creative when you think something in imagination and write in ordinary language, which is called. And see, fiction is what? So we can say that fiction is imaginary or invented work. Number two, fiction is creative work written in prose. Number three, fiction does not use articulated language but ordinary language, right? And next is fiction does not follow meter as in poetry. So this way you'd be able to understand that's a imaginary creative work in prose and ordinary language, and no meter, or that's a no meter they follow, right? Now, any literary narrative that consists of imaginary people, places, or event in any format, written, audio recording, or theatrical performances, is called fiction, right? Literary narrative. What consists of that narrative? Consists imaginary people, places, or event in any format, right? Writing, audio, audio recording, or theatrical performance, right? So it can be a movie, it can be reel, it can be pocket movie, it can be video, right? And that is the narrative. And imaginary people you will meet, places, or event, that is another definition of fiction, right? Now, types of fiction. So there are three types of fiction: novel, novella, and short story. That's a length and style writing is different. Let us see. First is novel. Novel is a work of fiction that contains over 50,000 words or 120 pages. Right? So novel and novella both have almost same number of words or pages, but then novels are even more complex than novellas, right? So novels are more complex and novellas are little easy, right? They usually have more than one plot or storyline and many well developed character, story within a story. Sometime in novella one story, and then under that story another parallel story, or another story that is encapsulated in this in the novel. Means suppose if we see that see, Mahabharat is an epic, but if we write novel on Mahabharat, then I have to write n number of stories, or which are story within story. So somewhat that is called novel, right? So that this is the word length here. Just take care that words are 50,000 words or 120 pages of novel, and that is more complex than novella. Why? Because of one plot or a story, more than one plot or a storyline, and as I told you, story within story, and many developed character and very heroic and big characters are in novel. Novella is larger than short story. Next is short story. So novella is larger than short story. Novellas typically have 20,000 words to 50,000 words, and measures from 60 to 120 words. Here flexibility is, that's a minimum maximum. It's minimum 20,000 words in novella and maximum 50,000 words, and that is a page if we count. So that's a 60 to 120. Any pages within these pages, which is called, that's a book is called novella. And second thing is, because novellas have more room to with work, they typically have a more complex plot and storyline. Naturally, very little, so that is why that's a plot line is very complex, and more characters than short story. Of course, less character than novella, but more character than short story. So what is short story? A short story is a fictional work containing 1000 to 20,000 words and measures no longer than 25 to 30 pages, right? And very important in length, Edgar Allan Poe, one of the most well-known author, short storyteller, and in English literary tradition, famously claimed that a short story should be read in a single sitting, right? So why? Because word length is 1000 words to 20,000 words, or pages 25 to 30 pages, and short stories tend to include few characters, not much characters, but few characters in short story, and concentrate on single plot line because of um, their brevity, right? So single plot line, no story within story, but one story, and limited characters, and what we can say, word length is 1000 pages to 1000 words to 20,000 words, so pages 25 to 30. And please remember, Edgar Allan Poe is one of the best short story writer. Now one thing is over, that's a definition, and we have seen that these are the uh, types of literature, fiction, novel, novella, and short story. Now come to the subtype of fiction. That was a type of fiction. And subtype of fiction: fantasy, that's a imaginary or imagination; contemporary fiction, which is based on current time, whatever the current time. So that is, that kind of fiction is contemporary fiction. I gave you example of prime minister, paradoxical prime minister by Shashi Tharoor, and accidental prime minister by Sanjay Baru, right? Then mystery. So mystery is, that's a something, uh, something is being hide in the novel, that is called mystery, right? So such kind of novels are called mystery. फिर historical fiction based on history, science fiction based on facts or science. Now next is elements of fiction. Again very important part, elements are different, means what, how fiction is made. So what we are going to find in fiction. So fiction, in fiction, character, plot, setting, and theme, and style also. So characters are the people, animal, anyone can be character, people, animal, animals, or alien in the story. Then readers come to know the characters through what they say, what they think, and what they act according to character, after seeing the character. So character talks about all these. Then plot is the order of events in the story. So plot is what is the order of the event. The plot usually follow a particular structure called Freytag's pyramid. Freytag's pyramid is, that's a, they have given plot into different categories, right? So that is called Freytag's pyramid, right? Then setting is where and when the short story, when the story takes place, right? Setting is when the place, we can say, important thing is that the place where, and the what's the setting, that's a little bit hut or water rainy season, whatever you want to show, that is called somewhat setting. Then theme, a theme is not the plot of the theory, it is underlying truth. Theme is underlying truth, not plot line. Underlying truth that is being conveyed in the story. So that's truth is being conveyed through short story, that is called conveyed through fiction, that is called theme. So which is different from plot, don't get confused, right? Then hmm, if we talk about theme, so what is the theme? Theme is also divided into six parts. First is that inciting incident. All of a sudden one incident, one thing happened, you remember your childhood days, you remember your past days, so that where one thing, that's a inciting incident. So someone has done something, that is exposition or beginning. And then when a movie moves or novel moves, so we see that there's a rising action, and then after some time climax comes, and then fall in. This is also human nature, human life is also, right? Like in the beginning baby comes at home, then baby starts running and small picking up small things, eating something, that is exposition or beginning. Then rising action, then up to 50, 55, 60, he does lot of work, and then he rises. And one day, how long he would rise, and one day the day will come, that was climax, means saturation somewhat, and then falling action comes, that is the part of theme. And then that is hmm, denouement, right? So that's a denouement, is that's a conclusion, right? So that's a denouement, that's a solution. And finally we story catches the solution. Now next is style. Style is a creative writing, starts with word choice, right? So that is creative writing, like how, which kind of words, which kind of plot line you would like to listen, that is. Then plot point of view, three point of views are there: first person, second person, and third person. First person, when author writes I, that's the first person, or we kind of thing. Then second person, you, always second singular is you, and you singular is there, you plural is there, right? Then third person, he, she, it, they, them, this kind of words when we use, that is called third point of view. Now these are the important novels, just listen carefully, because what frankly I'm telling you, that you will not be given much much place, right? So that is important, is that wait a minute. Huh. So that is important thing, is that mm just remember the name. Realistic novel, I told you, is Taslima Nasreen novel, right? Then picaresque novels, right? So that's a rogue or something. A hero is the villain, actually in the beginning it seems that he is the villain, but later he becomes gentleman. And then because of his negative character, sometimes he likes, that is called picaresque novel. Historical, I have told you, that's based on history. Epistolary, when novel moves with the letter, that is called epistolary. Then gothic novel, the very horrific novels are called gothic novels. Autobiographical, right? So auto is self, biographical biology, and graphic is, that's a writing or some the writing work, right? So autobiographical novel which is written by him or herself. Allegorical novels are when through some visualize or some words and a story, when something is realized, that is called allegorical. Means something what we can say, that um, example, set the example, is called allegorical novel. Then utopian, that's a when everything is very good, that is called utopian. Then dystopian, 1984 dystopian, everything is very bad. Then psychological novel, that's a Mrs. Miss भूल रही हो अभी. So that's a very common novel, I tell you, and that's a psychological novel, right? And then Mrs. Dalloway. Mrs. Dalloway is the psychological novel, and same Stream of Consciousness is the also that's a same novel. Mrs. Dalloway or Mrs. Clarissa also the example of psychological novel, and Stream of Conscious novel. Stream is the river, and then conscious again when number of thoughts are in our mind and which moves again and again is called uh, um, stream of consciousness. Then for next is Bildungsroman. Bildung, right, and Roman actually. So that is yes. So that's please take care that Bildung is the Roman is the novel, right, and Bildung is the that's a wait a minute. Yes, Bildung means education and Roman is novel. So education and novel when the character is educated is called Bildungsroman. There are more kinds of novels here. Bildungsroman, then Kunstel Roman, then campus novel which is written in campus of the university, and that is called academic novel also. Chivalric heroic novel in which something uh, heroic or something adventurous novel. Then apocalyptic, that's a apocalyptic, that is damaging or something destroyed, right? That kind of novel which shows post in independent post like modern era is so that's a apocalyptic literature is comes under here. Then utopian and dystopian. Utopian is very ideal situation. Dystopian, everything is disturbed, disorder kind of fiction. Epistary, I told you, through letters, when story moves through letters. Gothic is horrific novels. Historical, I have told you. Scientific fiction. Then mystery fiction. Mystery fiction means something mysterious. That is these kind of novels are called mystery fiction. Picaris, I have told you. Magic realism and metafiction, I am going to tell you later, but these are the explanation. So you just read. I have just tried to make it something as I spoke, so that you will be able to understand the novels, right? So here I am winding up, but yes, tomorrow I am going to make complete video, right? And that's all. Thank you so much. God bless you.